They travel up through the pipe, out of the top of the pump, and into what we call a multi-port valve. So this is a multi-port valve. You'll find a multi-port valve commonly on a system that has a sand filter. You'll find them on systems with DE filters. Sometimes, depending on how the system was put together, you could find it on something with a cartridge filter, although it serves a little bit less of a purpose there, and I'll explain why. So on the multi-port valve, which is also known as the spinny thing with a handle, you have multiple ports, hence the name multi-port. This is what will direct your water when it's coming into the pump and needs to go somewhere. This helps tell you where it's going. You have functions on here for filter, which is normal filter mode. You've got one on here for winterize, which sometimes when we winterize the pool, we put it over here. Some multi-ports won't have that function specifically. It might say closed, or there might not be one at all. We have a function that says waste, one that says closed, one that says backwash, recirculate, and rinse. So what happens to the water when we're in normal filtration mode is that the water comes in through the top pipe in the top of the filter, runs through the multi-port, is pushed into the top of the filter. This is a sand filter. There's approximately 300 pounds of sand inside, along with some pipes and tubing that help push the water and control the flow. So when the multi-port is in filter position, the water is pushed into the top of the filter, down through the bed of sand, into the bottom of the filter. There's a PVC pipe in the middle, and then there's fingers at the bottom of the filter. When the water reaches the bottom of the filter, it is drawn back up into those fingers, back up through the center tube in the filter, back into the multi-port, where it's then directed, in this case, over to the heater. The purpose of running a backwash cycle when you have a sand filter or a DE filter is so that you can clean out the debris that gets trapped in the filter. In the case of a sand filter, when the water is pushed in through the bed of sand, that's what's actually catching your debris on the top of the sand. So you're going to get a lot of leaves and little bits and pieces and things that settle on there. As your filter is running, the pressure is going to build up. There's a pressure gauge on most filters. It's either on the filter itself or it's on the multi-port. A typical operating pressure is something that's unique to each system. Normally it's between about 15 and 18 psi is normal operating pressure. As the top of the sand filter gets clogged, the pressure in the pressure gauge is going to read higher, meaning it's taking more power, more force to push the water through the filter. So when the pressure gauge spikes to about 5 to 7 pounds higher than what normal operating pressure is, you would know that it's time to backwash.